Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to see your best 9 posts on Instagram. Now, you will need to have a public Instagram for this to work. So if you just want to quickly see what your top 9 posts are and you have a private account, just go ahead and make it public really quick just to do this. And then you can go ahead and re-private your account again if you would like to. Now, all you have to do this is just search top 9 Instagram 2020 on Google. And you want to find this website right here. It's called best9.net. Just click on that and it will load up the website. All you have to do when you come on this website is put your Instagram ID here. So let's just say, for example, I was going to do Leo Messi. I can go ahead, type in Leo Messi and click on get. And then it will show me the top 9 posts for his Instagram for 2020. And obviously, once you have this on here, if you wanted to go ahead and share it on social media, you could just long press on it here, click on add to photos. And then if you were to head into your photos, you will then see that is right here. And you can go ahead and share this on your story on Instagram and share it with your friends. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.